Hello guys. First of all, thank you so much who has subscribed to my channel. I got 300 subscriber. I just want more 700, please make it happen. In this video tutorial I will show you how to add a vector map on Wix website. First let's see how it's work. So let's get started. First I downloaded map image form on splash.com. Click on search bar and type vector map. It will show you all images you can download for free. You can use them for your commercial work and use into your client project. It's totally free to use. I will use this image for this video tutorial. Now I will download map pin icon. From Remix Icon website. I will provide both websites links in this video description. Click on icon which you want, then download the icon what size you want. I will choose 240 pixel size. You can also change icon color. I will download in SVG format. You can also download PNG. So now I opened Adobe Photoshop. Click on open button. Then choose your map image which you downloaded from the internet. Now add pin icons on the map image which we have downloaded from the icons website. Click on File menu. Now click on Open. Select your downloaded icons. Those icons will be open in separate window. Now drag them on map image. Now I will increase the speed of video. I just finished the design. Save this image as a JPG or PNG, whatever you like. Now it's time for Wix. Open your Wix website. I will go with blank template for now. Click on Add button, then search for strip section. Add it on the page. Change the background of the strip. Click on Image. Now click on Upload Media. Upload from computer. Select the image, then click on Change Background. Now click on Add button. Click on Box. Drag the box on the page. Customize the size of the box, something like map pin icon size. Drag the box on the map pin icon. Then change the design of the box. Make background transparent so we can see the map pin icon. This box used for hover effect. Then add other box on the page. In this box we will add our tip text, so when user hover over on the map pin, this box will be show. Now drag the text box where you want. Now I will copy both boxes for each map pin. Now click on Developer Mode, turn on Developer Mode. Now select the box. You will see that box property window open right side at bottom. Give the unique name to every box. Now give the unique name to map pin boxes. Now I will define all boxes variable in the code. Let's see. I have defined all boxes name. Now I will write a on mouse in function for each boxes. When user move the mouse pointer on map pin box number 1. Then it will show text tip box number 1. Make sure each text tip box should hidden when page load. I will select each text tip box and check the hidden. As you can see, each text tip box is by default hidden. Now I will define mouse out function, when user take away the mouse pointer from the map pin box, so the text tip box will go back to hidden. Let's check it out as it works. Wow, it works, but we have to add and zoom animation. Add the zoom effect mouse in function and mouse out function. I did a mistake, remove the $sign front of zoom options. Let's check it now as it works. Wow, it works. Also add the zoom effect for mouse out function. Now I will copy these two functions for other boxes. Functions will be same for each boxes, you just change the name. I added the fourth one box, so I have to define variable of the fourth box.